Write an algebraic equation for the following problem and then solve it. Lisa decided to invest $12,000 of her retirement fund conservatively. She invested part of this money into one account that pays 5% and part into another account that pays 4%. Last year, she earned $560 in interest. How much did she invest in each type of an account? So what we're going to do again is to define our variable. We're going to let X equal the amount invested at 5%. So keep in mind, she started with $12,000. So the remainder of the $12,000 is what she would invest in the 4% account. So the amount that's left over would be the $12,000 minus the amount that she invested in the 5% account. So $12,000 minus X would equal the amount invested at 4%. So to write our equation, we start with 5%, which is 0.05, times the amount invested, which is X in this case. Next, we add to it 4%, which is 0.04, times the amount invested at 4%, which is 12,000 minus X. And that would equal the interest earned, which in this case is $560. Our next step is to use the distributive property to remove the parentheses and then to combine like terms. So we have the 0.05 X plus we multiply 0.04 times 12,000 and that gives us 480 minus 0.04 times X, which is minus 0.04X, and that would equal the 560. Combining like terms, we have 0.05x minus 0.04x, and that gives us 0.01x plus 480 equals 560. Now we're going to subtract 480 from both sides. So that would give us 0.01x equaling 560 minus 480, which is 80. We're going to divide both sides by the 0.01. So that gives us X equaling $8,000. So that means that she invested $8,000 at 5%. She would invest the remainder at the 4%. So if she started with $12,000 and we subtract the $8,000 that was invested at 5%, that tells us that she invested $4,000 at 4%.